In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify identity using GovUK1 Login 2026. To get started, go to the Gov UK One Login Sign-In page. From there, you can either create a new account or sign in if you already have one. Make sure you use the correct account for the government service you want to access, since your identity check will be linked to that service. Once you're signed in, choose the government service you want to use. This part is important because the identity verification process can vary slightly depending on the service, but the overall steps remain very similar. When you see the prompt, select the option to verify your identity and continue. Next, you'll be asked to choose a verification method. In most cases, you'll need an accepted identity document. This could be a valid UK passport, a UK photo card, driving license, or a biometric residence permit or another accepted ID document. Before moving on, it's a good idea to have your document with you and make sure it's current, undamaged, and easy to read, as this can help avoid delays during the check. If required, you may need to use your smartphone to scan your identity document. This is often done through the Gov UK ID Check app, although in some cases you may be given browser-based instructions instead. Follow the on-screen guidance carefully, and when scanning your document, try to place it on a flat surface in a well-lit area so the camera can capture the details clearly. After that, you may be prompted to take a selfie or complete a facial verification step. This is used to confirm that the person completing the process matches the identity document provided. For the best results, look directly at the camera, remove anything that blocks your face if possible, and follow the instructions exactly as they appear on screen. You may also be asked to enter additional information such as your address or national insurance number depending on the service you're using. Enter these details carefully and double check everything before submitting, since even small mistakes can slow things down. Once everything is complete, submit your verification and wait while your identity is checked. In some cases, this only takes a few minutes, while in others it may take a bit longer if extra review is needed. After your identity has been successfully verified, return to the government service you were using so you can continue your application or access your account. And that's the full process for verifying your identity using Gov UK1 Login in 2026.